everyone, it's Justin again. If we're going to be using exponents, it's also important to know how to undo them. So in this video, we're going to be learning the basics of roots, the inverse of exponents. This is a power. What this means is that if you multiply two 3's together, you get some value, which we know is 9. And this is a square root. What it means is that 9 is equal to some number multiplied by itself. We even know what number goes there. 9 is 3 times 3. So 3 squared is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Powers and roots are inverse operations, just like addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. It might help if we looked at squares and roots using a visual model. This is a square. More specifically, a 1x1 square with only a single section inside of it. The side lengths are being squared, and the number of sections inside is the result. We could also say that to make one section, you have to make a square with sides of length 1. Let's try a bigger model. Now we've got a 2x2 square, which has 4 sections inside. So we would say that 2 squared makes 4. Or the inverse, to make 4 sections, your square has to have sides of length 2. This trend will keep going for every square we make. 3 squared is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. 4 squared is 16, and the square root of 16 is 4, on and on. These numbers that you get from squaring a whole number are called perfect squares. There are infinite perfect squares, one for each whole number. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared, 8 squared, on and on and on forever. The good thing about perfect squares is that they're all the squares of whole numbers, which means their square roots are super easy to remember. Let's do some practice. What is the square root of 49? Remember, this means you get 49 by multiplying what number times itself. So what number would fit there? 7. 7 times itself makes 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. What's the square root of 144? Well, what's the number you can multiply by itself to make 144? 144 is 12 squared, so the square root of 144 is 12. What's the square root of 225? 15 squared is 225, so the square root of 225 is 15. Roots are really easy to understand, but square roots aren't the only type. In the next video, you're going to learn all about another type of root called cube roots. See you then.